All right, and what you might remember is we were talking about probability distributions yesterday. So this is a probability distribution, and we looked at how to find the median and the mode, but we haven't looked at how to find the mean. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at how can we find the mean. Now the first thing we're going to do here for this probability distribution is find the value of k. If it's valid, all of the probabilities will add up to 1. So we can say 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 2k plus k equals 1. That's the sum of all probabilities is 1. Now one way you might see that described is like this. Sum p equals 1. So this is a Greek symbol. Epsilon means the sum of all probabilities adds to 1. All right. So we've got 0.4 plus 0.3, we'll have 0.7 plus 3k is 1, we'll have 3k is 0.3 and k is 0.1. All right, so we've determined the value of k there, which means we can update our probability distribution here. We would have 0.1, we'd have 0.2. Okay, we'll do the median and the mode first because we're familiar with those. So the mode is the event that corresponds with the highest probability. So if we're looking along which event has the highest probability, it's going to be this one, and so the event is 0. All right, so remember what this notation means. Lowercase x is the event, and then we have the probability that the random variable takes on that event is 0.4. Okay, the median is the event that corresponds with the cumulative probability exceeding 0.5. So we have 0.4 plus 0.3, that will take us to 0.7, and so the median occurs at 1. Okay, so then we're up to the mean. And the symbol we're given for the mean, now I think I said epsilon before, that's sigma. The mean is the sum of xi pi. All right, now what that means is each event multiplied by its probability added together. So the mean of this distribution, we call it the mean. Sometimes we call it the expected value of the distribution, and sometimes we call it E of x. So we call it those three things: the mean of the distribution, the expected value, and E of x. So for this distribution, what it is going to be is each event multiplied by the probability of that event. So we'll have 0 times 0.4 plus 1 times 0.3 plus 2 times 0.2 plus 3 times 0.1. And then we just evaluate it. We'll have 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.3, which is 1. The mean of the distribution is 1. Okay, now there is some calculator strategies there, but I think I'll go through that a bit later. I'll get you to do it manually first. So that's enough for us to work on exercise 7C.2. Any questions?